Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm gonna start by saying good morning, good afternoon, or good evening depending on when you're watching this video. I am on my way to Dollar Tree, but I had to get some coffee, so I am currently in line at Starbucks to get some coffee. I'd rather have Coffee Bean, but they don't have a drive-through close to me, so I'm at Starbucks getting some coffee, and then I'm gonna head over to the Dollar Tree. Okay you guys, so I have made it to the Dollar Tree. I have my coffee, which I started to demolish on the way over because I haven't had any coffee today, and Lord knows I need it. So the plan for today is I am going to go in Dollar Tree and I'm gonna actually see if I if I can go through the whole store and not purchase one thing. Yes, me, one thing. My plan is to go, I'm challenging myself. So I'm gonna walk through here, see what I see, and stop myself from buying anything. Do you guys think I can do it? Do you think I can do it? I feel so weak right now. I'm so weak when I walk inside a Dollar Tree. But anyways, let's go in and see if I can do this. So they are bringing back the organizers. Here are the drawer ones, the ones with the pools. And for a while they were gone, but they're bringing them back. These are the stackable ones that has the drawer pull. Here's the ones that I like the most. The organizer with the lid, because you can stack those on top of each other. They're bringing back these. The lipstick or fingernail polish organizer. This one has the lid with the 3 compartments. Here is this kind of organizer right here. And then you got all these down here. So these have been in Dollar Tree, but they get sold out and then they bring them back. So just letting you know they are back in the building. Okay you guys, so I am looking at the wrapping paper, but I am not going to buy any, but they have the cutest wrapping paper. Look, they got Vampirina, Paw Patrol, Mickey, Barbie, Hello Kitty. Over here they got more of the older ones like Snoopy, Rudolph, Elf, A Christmas Story. That is so cute. And my favorite would be the Jetsons or Hanna-Barbera right here. Those. Got Mario Brothers. And then you got all of this. Look at Harry Potter. That is so cute. So this is definitely a good time to stock up on your wrapping paper. Look at these pineapple drawstring bags. How cute are those? Look at that. And you put stuff in it and then the drawstring closes it. And I thought they were gonna be kind of thin, but these are nice and thick. Here is the numbers for this. But these are cute. Super cute. And they still have a wall full of bath bombs. The hearts, the mermaid tail, the pineapple, like tons of them. Look at that. Oh, did I spot some new socks? Oh my goodness. Men's crew socks, Christmas house. So let's look. You guys, okay. You know I'm weak for socks. Here is the Nutcracker. What else is there? Let's move that. Oh, I like that. Oh, and they're really thick too. They're not thin socks. Let's see. Oh my gosh, you guys. See, that's why I had to challenge myself. And look, it's the only one. Let me see. Oh, okay. This one. Oh, no you didn't. Look at the bottoms. Oh my goodness. Oh, these ones say ho ho ho. I like that it has the gray heel. That's cute. I just love that. Oh, Snow You Didn't and Oh Snap. I'm like, oh gosh, I'm torn right now. And then they have some with the Santa Claus on it. Is that it? Yeah, that is it. Oh my gosh, and they're thick too. They are not thin socks. Now, do you guys see my dilemma? That is the only one. That is the only one here. I see multiple of these, but this one says Oh Snap. Oh my God, I think I need this. Oh my God, I'm getting weak. You guys, what I didn't see on here is on the nutcrackers, it say got nuts. Oh my gosh. Well, I have spotted some new stickers. I don't remember seeing these. You have this one that looks like travel. What else did I just see? This one. I think those are cute. I like the green glitter on those. And I think I saw another one back there. Okay, I think I've seen these before, even though they are cute. And this one. And what I noticed is they make the stickers and they kind of resemble packs that they had in the past. So it kind of makes you think, like, question, did I already have this one? But these are cute. Look at that little lamp. But I know these are new. I know I didn't have these. What else is back there? Is there another family pack? Oh, this one is so cute. Look at the house with the heart and the home. Oh, I like this one right here. That is adorable. And then this one over here. Those are cute. Oh, look, here are some of the houses that I showed in a different video. And here is the SKU. I forgot to post it just in case any of you are looking for them. It's right there. And that's for the blue house. And then here's the hotel. Let's see, I think they may have the same number, but I don't know. These are cute. Hopefully in the future they'll get some more like different houses or something like that. And then they have the boxes. Here is a Wet n Wild Balm Stain in Stiff Pink. And it looks like that. And that is the only color that I see. But that's cute. They still have more of this. The Wet n Wild Tame and Define. The clear brow and lash mascara. I had purchased that. I actually like it, so that's a good thing. And then here's one of these 5 times plumper. And just so you guys know, when I do my brows, I do use this sometimes, and I actually like it. So if you were questioning it, I think it's a good product. Here is some new wall art. This is cute. I like how that gold heart, crosses like that. And then this one is the moon. I love you to the moon and back. Those are cute. Let's see. It's really high up. Oh, look at that. And I think, oh, I like that one. But I don't want to get it. I think, let me see if there's another one up here. If I can reach it. Let's make today beautiful. Oh, those are so cute. Okay, I can't get them back in there. There you go. Oh, but I love this elephant. I can't get it back in there, you guys. I'm gonna just lay it like that. That is so cute. Oh, they have more of the blessing jars. Count your blessings. These are back. The cute little tops. More of these. Oh, this is new. I've never seen this before. That is pretty. I like the inside, how it's gold, but the outside is kind of silver and white. Oh, Those are pretty. And they're all the same color, but those are cute. I saw this one, I think, like last week with the wire netting on the outside. Oh, they got some candle snuffers. They got black and silver, and then I see like a rose gold back here. That's really nice for the holidays, for your candles. Oh, look, they got some new dog toys. Perfect timing for Halloween. This is funny. Oh, I like those. My dog would go crazy over this. He goes crazy over that noise. Oh, that one fell. And they got pigs. Look at his eyes. Different little monsters. These are cute. Okay, so these are always in Dollar Tree. The collapsible storage containers. Remember the ones with the sequins on them? And you have those up there with all the different sizes. But I have never seen this one. So this is my first time seeing this one. And it's a collapsible storage container with dividers. So you're actually getting little dividers in there. That's kind of cool. The only thing is these kind of are a little flimsy, but if you just need it for like a little bit of stuff like that, then I think this will be good. So yeah, that is kind of cool. I like that. And there are more of the sequin ones, but all I see is black. Oh, I've never seen these for breast cancer awareness. Hope for a cure, forever raspberry. I've never seen that one at all in that fragrance. Okay, so I am back in the car. Now the big $1 million question is, did I purchase anything, or was I able to walk out of Dollar Tree empty-handed? What do you think? How many of you guys was rooting for me, and how many of you thought that I would fail? So the verdict is in, and I'm weak. I'm weak to Dollar Tree, you guys. I'm so weak. Oh my gosh, you guys, I purchased something. I know I wasn't supposed to. I know, but I couldn't help it. I couldn't. The Nutcracker socks that say "Go Nuts." I had to get these. I had to get these too. The ones that say, "Oh, no, you didn't." I think these are so cute, and they're so thick, and they're definitely good socks. And you guys know I got these, the Oh Snaps. They look like that. And because I picked those up, I went ahead and got these too. Christmas, I had to. Even if I don't use these for myself, they will be awesome stocking stuffers. So I had to get those. And then the last thing that I picked up, you guys, I couldn't pass them up. The pineapple bags. And I picked up 4. Yes, I had to get 4. And the reason why was, and I'm debating on, I should have got some more. Because these would be really, really nice to put in, to give as gifts for my Poshmark sales. You know, because whenever somebody purchases a certain amount of money, like, well, a certain amount on my Poshmark, depending on the price of the item, I like to add free gifts and stuff, and these would be cute. The only thing is that these are more summer, and we are in fall and winter, and I wish they would have been like something else, like a fox head or something. I don't know, but the pineapples are cute, and so I did pick up 4. If I stumble across them again, I may pick up some more. Oh, in the store I said that they were made out of nylon or something. They say PVC, so I was wrong about that. So that is what I got, the socks and the bag. I am so weak when it comes to Dollar Tree. Isn't that bad? But I know I'm not alone. So don't judge me. So that is it, you guys. I think I did pretty good. Because I probably could have picked up some more stuff. I wish they would hurry up and put in some more makeup. Because lately they haven't really been putting in too much makeup. I remember way back in the day they was putting in Physicians Formula. Was it Milani? Was it Milani? Am I saying it right? something. They had some other brands, but they haven't been doing that lately. So hopefully in the future, or maybe because we're speaking about it, maybe it'll pop up. But that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick run through. I am done for the day. And yeah, so thank you guys all for watching. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.